In Monkey America, millions of monkeys are fighting over tiny banana coupons, while rich monkeys are buying entire banana farms. Every monkey wanted one thing: to become rich. And most monkeys believe the same jungle myth: if I save enough bananas, one day I'll become rich. So every morning, monkeys hunted for coupons. Look! He saved 2 bananas. One monkey spent 5 hours hunting coupons, just to save enough for half a banana smoothie. Meanwhile, another monkey used those same 5 hours to build a business. Guess which monkey became rich? Poor monkeys focused on cutting expenses. Smaller meals, cheaper drinks, less spending. Eventually, they lived like cave monkeys, saving every banana, but still not becoming rich. Because real jungle wealth does not come from saving bananas. It comes from earning more bananas. One monkey earned 10,000 bananas every month. No coffee, no parties, no vacation. After 1 year, he saved 24,000 bananas. But another monkey asked a different question. How do I earn more bananas per hour? Back then, the monkey worked in jungle IT. Every week, he wasted hours cutting grass. Then one day, another monkey offered to do it for 20 bananas. He realized his time was worth more. So instead of cutting grass, he studied how to make more money. Slowly, his hourly value exploded. Meanwhile, other monkeys wasted hours saving tiny amounts. Rich monkeys protect time because time creates more bananas. In banana economics, poor monkeys cut coupons. Rich monkeys build banana factories. What would you like me to talk about in the next video? Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video. I'm also waiting for your feedback and criticisms in the comments.